What is a special assessment for condo insurance, HO6? Have you ever wondered how condo owners handle unexpected costs that pop up after a disaster? Let's talk about special assessments in the world of condominium insurance. A special assessment is an extra charge that a condominium association may impose on unit owners. This usually happens when the costs to repair or replace shared areas exceed what the association's master insurance policy covers. Imagine a storm damages the roof or common areas of your condo. If the master policy doesn't cover all the repair costs, the association might decide to pass that extra expense on to the unit owners. This is where special assessments come into play. They can be a financial surprise if you are not prepared. To help with this, many condo owners opt for loss assessment cover as part of their condominium insurance, also known as HO6. This coverage protects you from having to pay these extra fees out of your own pocket. If your condo association charges a special assessment to cover the shortfall in insurance funds, your loss assessment coverage will kick in. It pays your share of that assessment, up to the limit set in your policy. So, what does this coverage actually include? It typically covers your financial responsibility for assessments related to damage in common areas or shared property that the master policy does not fully cover. Common scenarios include damage from natural disasters, accidents, or other events that affect the building's exterior or shared facilities. It's important to note that this coverage is separate from the standard dwelling coverage, which protects the interior of your individual unit and your personal belongings. Loss assessment coverage has specific limits and conditions, so it's wise to read your HO6 policy carefully. If you think the limits are too low, consider increasing them to better protect yourself. Without this coverage, you could face hefty bills to cover your portion of repairs or legal liabilities tied to shared property. This is especially true in larger condominium complexes where costs can add up quickly. In essence, a special assessment is a financial charge from your condominium association when their insurance falls short. The loss assessment coverage in your HO6 policy helps shield you from these unexpected costs, providing essential protection beyond just the interior of your unit. So, if you own a condo, make sure you understand your coverage options to stay financially secure.